This is a look at the Vondior VX-W. This is a pocket radio with AM, FM, and weather band. Pulling it out of the box. If it will come out of the box. You get the radio, owner's manual. This is also sold as just the Vondior VX, which is just AM, FM. I do apologize for the dead space. However, this is sort of a knockoff of the Sony ICF S10 Mark II. This, taking a look around the Vondior VX-W. On the front, you have the tuning window with frequencies for AM, FM, and weather band, speaker, power LED. On the side, you have the tuning dial, AM, FM, weather band switch. On the back, vented cabinet, and a slot for 2 AA batteries. It has the little ribbon for pulling it off, for pulling out the batteries. Sliding that back into place. We also have this swivel telescopic antenna. The antenna does feel quite a bit cheap. You might have to tighten this screw here, which is made out of quite soft metal, so it might strip easily. It does feel like the antenna would break easily if tampered with, per se. On the bottom, nothing. Top, nothing. On this side, we have a built-in lanyard and a volume knob, which is also the power switch. Turning now, size-wise, pack of cigarettes, about the same size. Focus. Okay, there we go. Yeah, about the same size pack of cigarettes. About as thick too. Pretty easy grip design with this little contour here, which, you know, does sort of come from that Sony radio. Powering it on. Tuning to a station. This does have a DSP chip in it. So I'm just going to talk over this because, you know, the content ID. So this radio has an acceptable speaker. However, that's a strong signal, and this hiss is always there. Over earphones or headphones, it is very, very hard to get a good volume, in particular with this static. So, having a quick listen here. Switching over to the AM band, it has an acceptable AM tuner.
Ever-changing Colorado restaurant scene, where he invites you to join him, both on the air and for meals at area restaurants. He's Mike Boyle.
So the AM tuner is acceptable. However, as is probably true with all DSP tuners, you do benefit primarily from having a digital display that can allow you to precisely tune in frequencies. However, that's just my thought on the matter. Shifting it over to the weather band. If we can get it in. I do apologize for the interference.
Friday, partly sunny. Highs 29 to 37.
This is one of the worst weather band tuners I've seen on a small radio, and I attribute that partly to the fact that it has a non-digital display for the frequency. Since weatherband really does benefit from being able to tune in precisely, more so than AM or FM. However, when it works spectacularly. It is prone to excessive interference. I've also noticed that, oddly, if you leave it off for a while, you will find that this radio does, you know, have more problems with interference on weatherband. I've never experienced that before with any other weatherband radio I've used. Price-wise, this radio does go for about $15 to $30. I believe you can only get this radio through Amazon. So yeah, that was the Vondior VX-W.